Which is the best digital marketing institute in India? This is one of the most viewed answer written by me at Quora. Almost around 16,000 people have already viewed it. I assume that this is one of the most searched keyword on the internet as a lot of people are searching for the best digital marketing training institutes. Now it is really difficult to answer which training institute is right for you because every third person has their own requirements from an institute. For an example, if you're an entrepreneur and you have a requirement that is to generate business or leads, you may be ending up with sitting in a classroom setup of a learning. Or if you're a student, you may be looking forward to get some affiliated certifications which are finally going to land you to a job. Now, if you are confused, if you need my advice, you can feel free to reach out to me at webhub at coursedekho.com. That's my direct email address. I'll be really happy to answer all your doubts. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can go ahead and comment below. I'll be answering that personally. Thank you.